We'll guide you through how to make a stand in Please Donate. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you need to go to a stand which is unclaimed, like this here, and go up to it, and you'll then have the option to go and claim it. You can hold the E key or just go and click here, and it will then go and be claimed. So at the top here, we can go and customize the text, and don't worry if you haven't got any donation buttons, we'll show you how you can go and add them. And if we go and hold E or hold on this button here again, then we can go and edit our booth. So at the top here, you can go and choose, as you can see these different ones here. Some of these you need to have certain requirements for, but you can always get more booths from the shop. Let's just hold E again. And next you can go and change the text. I could just go and put something like hello, then press enter, and it will then go and update. After you set the text, you can then go and change the font. You can go and change the color. You can add a stroke to it, which is an outline, and change the opacity of that. And you can also go and customize the buttons, but you do need VIP for that. So now you've done the customization part of things, you probably want to go and add some donation buttons. To go and do that, you need to go and sell stuff on Roblox. The easiest thing to sell is a game pass, and you can go and put it on sale for free. So let's go and set that up now. Head to Roblox. On roblox.com, all you need to do is go to the top and you can go and click on create. Now, if you're taken to a different page than this, then all you need to do is go to your address bar and type in create.roblox.com, and you'll then be taken here. Then head over to the left and click on creations, and you make sure you click on experiences. And by default, everybody will have this one experience here. Go and click on it, and then scroll down on the left here to monetization products and go and click on passes. And in passes, you want to click on create a pass, just like so. And now what we can do is create this. You have the option to upload an image, and then what you'll need to do is go and name it. So I'll just go and name this Insane. You can name it whatever you want, as long as it's within Roblox rules. You could then add a description, and then you can click on create pass. You've now gone and created it. Now, for it to go and appear in Please Donate, you need to put it on sale. So go and click on it, then head over to the left and click on sales. And you need to go and switch on item for sale and type in the price. Just remember that Roblox will go and take 30%, you keep 70. So what I'm going to do is put the price as 2 Robux and click on save changes, just like that. And now when I go and claim this stand, as you can see, we've now added that donation button there for 2 Robux. So you can go and add more if you like, or just have 1 or 2. So that's it. We've now gone and fully set up the stand. We've added text. We've shown you how to customize it, and we've shown you how to add donation buttons. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.